Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 2nd of April, 2024. The Indian benchmark indices snapped a 3-day winning streak to close marginally lower on April 2nd. At close, the Sensex was down 110.64 points or 0.15% at 73,903.91, and the Nifty 8.70 points, or 0.04%, at 22,453.30. Top Nifty losers were Hero MotoCorp, HCL Technologies, Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank and SBI Life Insurance, while gainers included Tata Consumer Products, M&M, BPCL, Bajaj Auto and Adani Ports. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of CAMS rallied over 6% around midday after it was reported that the company will manage the issuance of all digital insurance policies. In an exchange filing on April 2nd, CAMS said that the IREDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, has mandated the issuance of insurance policies by insurance companies in electronic form with effect from April 1st. CAMS Insurance Repository Services Limited, which is an IRDAI-registered insurance repository, will be facilitating the issuance of policies in the electronic mode. CAMS Rep is a wholly owned subsidiary of CAMS and is the second largest repository in the country. Shares of ADITYA BIRLA Capital gained over 9% in morning trades on April 2nd, a day after brokerage Macquarie initiated coverage on the NBFC with an outperform call and a target price of 230 rupees. According to the brokerage, ADITYA BIRLA Capital is poised for show strong growth in loans and earnings driven by both its lending, NBFC and HFC, and savings, life insurance, businesses over the next several years. ABCL has the advantage of strong parentage, availability of a large group ecosystem and diversified distribution mix to facilitate robust loan and APE growth higher than peers and average of listed peers. The stock of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency zoomed 5% to hit its upper circuit in trade on April 2nd following healthy quarterly business updates. IREDA recorded the highest number of loans sanctioned, coming in at 37,354 rupees crore for the financial year ended March 31, 2024. This was up 14.63% from 32,587 rupees crore last year. For the quarter ended March 31st, IREDA sanctioned loans of 23,796 rupees crore, clocking an on-year growth of 101.7% from 11,797 rupees crore from the same quarter a year back. Loan disbursements for the quarter stood at 12,869 rupees crore, up around 14% from 11,291 rupees crore from quarter for financial year 2023. UFLEX share price rose 7% in the opening trade on April 2nd after the company commissioned a CPP film production line at its Russian step-down subsidiary. Flex Films Rus LLC, Russia, a step-down subsidiary of the company, has commissioned CPP film production line with its installed capacity of 18,000 metric tons per year on April 1st. On March 31st, the company has achieved the commencement of commercial production of manufacturing facility at Panipat in Haryana with an installed capacity of 168,000 MTPA. ADITYA BIRLA Fashion and Retail share price rose 11% intraday on April 2nd after the company's board authorized the management to evaluate vertical demerger of Madura Fashion and Lifestyle business from ABFRL into a separate listed company. It has touched an intraday high of 243.45 rupees and an intraday low of 229.70 rupees. Around 1.34 crore shares of ADITYA BIRLA Fashion and Retail, 1.41% equity, worth 322.5 rupees crore changed hands at an average 243 rupees per share, reported CNBC TV 18. Drone Destination Limited in daily time frame is trading around 163.35 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 324,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 141.06, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.26. Secure Credentials Limited in daily time frame is trading around 21.45 points with a change of 19.83% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.873 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 18.43, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 63.21. Capital Trust Limited in daily time frame is trading around 121 points with a change of 17.23% and is trading with a net volume of around 222.567 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 105.04, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.83. For the stock recommendation we have, Paras Defence and Space Technologies Limited looks good and can be bought at 672 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 654 rupees and a target of 692 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.